Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Hot Fuego. So remember those seats I installed from Extreme Online Store? Yeah, those seats, the nice ones, the red and black ones. Let's do a review. I've had them for about 4 months now. A lot of people have been asking me how have they held up. I think 4 months is a good time frame because right now I'm daily driving this. So let's get into the video.
Serious on this track, fam.
Woo! 4 seconds. So here we go. These are the seats right here. So let's just examine them. They're pretty decent shape. This is the passenger side seat. Doesn't get as much body action. Still in great shape. Still in great shape. So let's walk over to the driver's side seat. And here we are on the driver's side. I mean, it looks the same, feels the same as when I first installed them. The backs, I mean, well, nobody's in the rear, you know. The back seat, I don't even know why there is a back seat. Should have just completely took the seat out because ain't nobody fitting back here. Some really small children. And I don't have kids. So these obviously fit the same way as when I put them on. They get no body action. None. But the driver's seat. Little things to look for. No warps in the cushion. Dye from the pans. You can't even see. You can clean these off basically with soap and a warm rag. It's gonna clean up real fine. As you can see, they still look like they're in great shape. And yeah, right now this is my daily where I'm at. It's December and it's like 50 degrees outside, so why not, right? Yeah, they look good. Still holding up, still proud, no regrets about the purchase at all whatsoever. No cracks, no warps. They're not even dirty from dye, you know, from jeans in your shirt or whatnot. A lot of times seats pick up those colors, but not here. Not here. So this is a great purchase from Extreme Online Store. No regrets at all. No regrets at all. A lot, you know, people have been asking me how these seats have been holding up. So I decided I'd make a review video. I've had them in for about 4 months now. So I'll do another one in another 4 months. And then again in a year. But right now, as we know, I mean, it looks good. So then you guys have it. I've had these seats in the car for about 4 months now. And they're holding it up fine. Like I said before in the install video, the quality is great. The quality is great. So I can't praise Extreme Online Store enough for the quality of those seats. I highly recommend them. Again, I'm gonna do a video another 4 months, and I'm gonna do one at a year. And I suspect they will still hold up, but you know what? So everybody can see from my experience. So I want to keep it transparent how well they do. I mean, if they do bad, I'm going to show you the flaws, and if they do bad and all of that. But as of right now, no issues. No issues whatsoever. I highly recommend that you go to Extreme Online Store and check out their colors. They got 3 colors, I believe. 4. They got 2 different variations of the black and red. They got an all red, and they got a black and yellow. The all reds tend to sell out real quick. So yeah, would I buy this again? So far, I definitely would. I'm very pleased with how everything went. And there you go. That's the review. So any questions, feel free to go ahead and drop a comment. If you like the video, if you like the review, thumbs up, give me that like, give me that dislike if you dislike the video. You know, there we go. It's your boy Hot Rod Fuego, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all again.